As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Weber Spirit E-425. Seems like two very different beasts.
Totally. The Q1200, it's all about portability, right? It's only 30 pounds. And the Spirit E-425 is a hefty 102.5 pounds, definitely staying put on the patio.
Yeah, the Q1200 is described as a perfect tailgating companion, and it runs on those little disposable propane cylinders. The Spirit E-425 needs a full-size tank.
True. And look at the cooking area. The Q1200 has a cooking surface area of 189 square inches. The Spirit E-425 boasts 428 square inches. That's more than double.
Definitely a difference in capacity. The Q1200 has one burner putting out 8,500 BTUs. The Spirit E-425 has four burners, outputting 19,000 BTUs, and has a sear zone.
Right, the sear zone is a big selling point for the Spirit. And the WeberWorks accessories sound cool, like you can snap on bottle holders and tool hooks.
The Q1200 does have fold-out side tables, which is handy. It's also fully assembled out of the box.
Assembly required for the Spirit E-425. That's something to consider. But it's got a 10-year limited warranty, which is pretty impressive.
Good point. The Q1200, while being smaller, is still cast aluminum and has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, so it's not like it's cheaply made.
Price-wise, the Q1200 is around $259, while the Spirit E-425 is listed at $599. Big difference.
Yeah, so it really comes down to what you need. Small and portable, or large and feature-rich.
Exactly. If you're grilling for a crowd regularly, the Spirit E-425 is the way to go. But for solo grilling or tailgating, that Q1200 is a solid choice, and you can buy a griddle for it.
And it's the #1 bestseller in natural gas grills, so people must like it. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.